Hey everyone, welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're talking about something every trader will face at some point: losing streaks. If you've been punched in the gut by a series of bad trades, you are not alone. This episode is for you. Whether you're dealing with losses in digital options, Forex, or stocks, or you just feel like you're in a rut, we're going to walk through how to recover mentally and financially from a losing streak. And not just recover, but come back stronger, smarter, and more focused. So let's jump in. Step 1: stop the bleeding, step away temporarily. The first thing you need to do after a tough streak? Hit pause. Stop trading. Just stop. Because right now, your emotions are in the driver's seat. I know the urge to make it back is powerful, but revenge trading only leads to more pain. So take a break. Maybe it's 2 days. Maybe it's a full week. Use that time to reset. Reflect. Disconnect from the screens. This isn't weakness. It's a strategy. Because trading with a cluttered, emotional mind is like trying to sprint on a sprained ankle. You're just going to make it worse. A mental reset is the first step in regaining control. Step 2: own the mistakes. Analyze without emotion. Once you've cleared your head, it's time to review what happened. But leave the drama at the door. Ask yourself, were my entries based on actual signals or just a hunch? Did I follow my trading plan or wing it? Was I reacting to previous trades emotionally? Was I using too much leverage? Open your journal or start one. Write it all down. Every trade, every decision. Be honest but not harsh. Don't say, I'm terrible. Say, I broke my rules here, or I ignored the setup criteria. Patterns will start to emerge, and that's how growth begins. You can't fix what you don't track. Step 3: rebuild confidence, not ego. Here's a big trap. After a lost streak, many traders try to win back confidence by chasing wins. That doesn't build confidence. That builds ego, and ego is fragile. Real confidence comes from process. So start with demo trading. Go back to a demo account. Relearn your system. Prove to yourself that you can stick to your rules. Backtesting. Go through past market data and apply your strategy. See how it performs. This reinforces trust in your method. Trading psychology refresh. Revisit books like Trading in the Zone. Remind yourself losses happen. It's how you handle them that matters. Focus on following your plan, not winning. Step 4: reduce stakes and limit exposure. When you're ready to go live again, don't come in with the same risk levels. Cut your position size. Start small while you rebuild. Cap your daily loss. Once you hit it, stop trading. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Don't reload your account just to prove something. That's your ego talking. Stick to a fixed percentage per trade. 1% or 2% max. That's your survival rule. Step 5: shift focus from winning to learning. If all you care about is whether you won or lost, you'll stay stuck. Instead, track. Did I wait for a valid setup? Did I manage risk correctly? Did I stick to my rules? Did I review my trades? That's the mindset shift from outcome to process. Because process leads to consistency, and consistency leads to profit. Step 6: don't go it alone, get mentorship or support. Look, you can be a self-taught trader, but even the best athletes have coaches. Join a community. Find traders who talk strategy, not just signals. Take a course. Learn from someone who's already made the mistakes. Get a mentor. Just a few sessions can change your perspective. You are not weak for asking for help. You're smart for knowing when to. Platforms like crystalballmarkets.com offer resources, tools, and trading communities designed to support serious digital options traders. Check them out if you want a smarter trading environment. Step 7: reframe the narrative. A losing streak doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're learning. Change the story you're telling yourself. This isn't the end. It's a checkpoint. This isn't personal. It's part of the process. This isn't punishment. It's feedback. Almost every successful trader has hit a wall. What separates them from the rest is how they respond. Step 8: build a recovery plan, your step-by-step path forward. Here's a sample plan to get you back on track. Take 3 to 7 days off. Reset. Review your journal. Identify mistakes and emotional triggers. Demo trade for 1 to 2 weeks. Rebuild consistency. Backtest your strategy. Make sure it's still viable. Return to live trading with reduced size. Limit trades per day. Avoid overtrading. Track your behavior. Use your journal religiously. Invest in education. Books, mentorship, webinars. Follow the plan. No shortcuts. Final thoughts. Come back smarter, not harder. You don't recover from a bad streak by forcing a comeback. You recover by rebuilding. Mental discipline. Emotional control. Strategic clarity. Losses are tuition. Breaks are healing. Small wins rebuild trust. And process? That's what creates long-term success. This isn't the end of your trading journey. It's just the part where you get better. And when you're ready to trade again, do it on a platform that supports your goals. Check out crystalballmarkets.com, a professional-grade digital options platform with tools, resources, and support to help you trade with structure. You got this. Stay smart, stay focused, and as always, stay in the game. Thanks for listening to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia. If this episode helped you, share it with a fellow trader and subscribe for more mindset-focused market insights. Until next time, trade wisely.